Welcome to Twisted Creations. My name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today I am making soap. I am making my summer soap. This one will be available between May and the end of August. This will be a two-colored soap. Its fragrance is going to be lemon from Nature's Garden, and key lime essential oil from Nature's Garden. So I'm going to measure those out in a little bit. The two colors I'll be doing is yellow for lemon and lime for the lime fragrance. And I'm going to pour them into my oval mold that I have here. So let's get started. Now I'm going to melt these for 30 seconds at a time until they're both melted. And then I'm going to measure my fragrance oil. Alright, so now I'm going to measure my lemon and lime fragrance oil. I'm going to do 2.5 ml of the lemon, and then I'm going to do 2.5 ml of the key lime. Here we go. They need just a little longer, but before I do that, I'm going to add the colors. I'm going to add green to the lime, 2 drops, and then I'm going to do a little bit of the yellow mica. Stir up 1. Okay, now that's ready. I'm going to push these for another 30 seconds. Actually, I'm going to do that for 20 since they're almost done. Set this aside just in case I need them. This one's done, so I'm going to take it out before it boils over and burns. So I'm going to do the other one for another 20 seconds. And in the meantime, I'm going to mix the yellow. this one's ready. Still want that just a little more yellow. Alright, that looks pretty good. So let's do the green and the lime. Alright, those bowls look good. Sorry, moving some things out of my way so I can put my set this aside. They both look good, so I'm going to spray with rubbing alcohol and then start pouring. Alright. I have a thank you mold just in case. Now let's pour it and mix together. Take a skewer. I'm going to just swirl it like that. It's a small swirl. Spray the bubbles. And then I'll leave to sit to dry, and I'll show you in a few moments what that looks like. Okay, it's time to unmold. Alright, so I got some mica mixing to do. So I'm going to smooth that out. So these will be ready for on May 4th without the mica in it. So this will be yellow and this will be green. I will show pictures of the redo after this shot. So until next time, have a great day, and I'll show you better pictures of them. Thank you.